Fight for Sight. Save sight, change lives.
Our mission is quite simply to save sight and change lives. I'm Director of Impact and External Affairs, which means I see lots of the applications that come to us at the very earliest stages, people's new ideas, which I find really exciting.
My name's Alice Davidson and I'm a Professor of Molecular Genetics. Back in 2015, I was awarded a Fight for Sight Early Career Investigator Award. And this really was a springboard for me. It enabled me to establish my independence here at the UCL Institute of Ophthalmology and begin to build a team around me. My lab is focused on inherited corneal diseases. Our ultimate goal is to be able to improve patient care. Many of our researchers are postgraduate students, so PhD students, master's students, or early career postdoctoral researchers. It's wonderful to work with such a varied group of young individuals who are similarly excited to drive vision research forward. We're very privileged currently to have 2 postgraduate researchers in the lab who are funded by Fight for Sight. Marcos Costa, he's a PhD student, a molecular biologist and bioinformatician looking to discover novel genetic causes of inherited eye diseases.
My goal is to find those novel sort of nuggets of knowledge when it comes to corneal disease. I've always wanted to pursue a PhD in genetic discovery. With Fight for Sight, I'm able to do my PhD.
We also have a clinical ophthalmologist, Shane Liu, who has taken time out from his clinical training to come and spend time in the lab and learn about vision research.
My role as a clinician here is to try to find key patterns and correlations so that we can gain some insights in how genetics can predict clinical outcome, disease severity, and progression. And hopefully one day all this can contribute to the holy grail of personalized medicine.
I really hope that in the next 10 to 20 years, if you have an inherited eye condition, there will be therapies either developed or in development for your particular type of eye disease. And the scientific knowledge that we have is really going to transform the care that you receive as a patient. That initial funding that I had from Fight for Sight was an instrumental stepping stone for me. And I think it is true to say that if I hadn't have had that, I may not be here today. Fight for Sight, save sight, change lives.
www.fightforsight.org.uk